All the hype right now is about AI and how it will or will not replace designers. I'm Olga. I run Applet Studio. It's a Squarespace design agency and template shop. And I actually use AI daily in my work, and I'm constantly learning these new tools. So in this video, I want to show you 4 practical ways in which I use AI tools such as Claude Design, Figma Make, Base44, Lovable to improve and streamline my client processes. First step, I use Claude Design as a junior user experience designer. It is very good at user experience design, but it's not so good at creative design, not so good with visual metaphors. So if you need something to convey emotion and be unexpected, Claude is not going to help you, but it's really good at creating decent, clean, streamlined prototype in a wireframe. Like right now, I'm mostly using for wireframing. So what I do, I feed it client content. I feed it sections that I want to see in the wireframe and small instructions such as make it black and white, sans serif fonts, very neutral, and help me lay out client's content on the page. And it does it, as you can see, it does it really, really well. So you can feed it a website screenshot, you can feed it content in a document, and it will spit out a wireframe, which you can then give your client for review or use as a prototype. So it's an amazing prototyping tool. An amazing feature of Claude Design is design system. So if we go back and go here, as you can see, I have 2 design systems. So for example, you want to create a new design system. So you would feed it a GitHub repo. You can give it links to your computer, Figma files, any assets, logos, fonts, images, and it will create a design system for you, and you can review it and actually tweak it. With Claude Design, you can make a clickable prototype for your client, black and white prototype, to make sure you're on the same page. If you are somebody who is creating a website for yourself, this is a really fast way for you to visualize all of your copywriting. You can ask it to tweak sections, add section. So you have this full prototype ready, and it's a multi-page prototype. So as you can see, we have the about, we have services prototype, and then you can give it to your client for review, or you can publish it and send it to somebody. How do we publish it? It's also very easy. So I click share and I choose Vercel app. You need to create an account on Vercel app, and I just click send. And it's going to create a new page on Vercel, and it's going to be a free page, basically. So if you're just working with multiple clients per month, it's a really convenient way to do it. Another tool that I use for wireframing is Figma Make. It's an AI builder inside Figma, kind of like a vibe coding tool inside Figma. So same here, I feed it content and I ask for a black and white, really neutral prototype with images, and it helps me lay out and visualize the content. I can say what I want to see specifically in each section, how I want to see this layout, but I don't have to do it manually in Figma and like drag and drop anything. I find that Claude is generally better at copywriting, so understanding what goes where and how to structure it than Figma. But Figma Make, if you use a paid account with Figma, Figma Make is also really powerful because it actually generates an entire prototype. It can be clickable, and you can publish it with one click. Just click publish, and it gives you a link immediately. And you can even connect it to a domain or a subdomain. So let's go back to Chrome and see how it looks like. So it gives us an entire clickable, responsive prototype that we can use and use it to communicate certain design decisions with a client. Claude is also really good with formatting documents. So, for example, your client sends you messy feedback and you just ask Claude and it formats it into workable feedback notes that you can go through, which are actually easier to understand and visualize. So that's another way I use Claude. Number 3, I build small apps for my clients on Base44. Any part of your process can be turned into a small app. For example, this is a mockup review app in which I just click a link and I open it and I send it to the client, and client can log in, type their name, and leave notes. And I actually did it just explained what I needed for a client. And this is a really simple 2-page app. 2-page app, it doesn't involve any user management. You just do it for yourself, for your own internal processes. So you build such app and you just send a link to a client. Any kind of static experience that you had with a client where you would send them a Google Doc, a PDF, can be turned into a small app. It's also one of the earliest apps I built with Base44, actually last year when it was still in its infancy, so right now it's much better at handling things and understanding what you need. So this is a sales page creation app. Basically, it runs the client through a questionnaire. You go through a questionnaire, and then it generates a wireframe for you. So you can use these small apps as lead magnets in your experience. Replace PDFs, replace Google Docs. Most of the time, you don't even need a paid plan to build those because Base44 and things like Lovable gives you quite generous amount of pre-credits per